What up? What up? Everybody was talking about after I put up that $100, who want to make $100 to $1,000, and everybody been hitting me up. I wasn't able to respond to everybody because you see this what I'm doing right here. All this construction shit at one of my businesses, trying to get that in order. But now, so I'm gonna show y'all. Put my hoodie on. I'm gonna show y'all what I was talking about. And if you getting this message, you getting this video, it's because I want to explain it to you. So when I said who want to make $100 to $1,000, it's a new company. Well, the company not really new per se. It's been out a few years, but the company, what they doing is they paying people for referrals. To make a long story short, it's like word of mouth. They trying to get their brand out there instead of like paying these big corporations like Facebook and all that shit millions of dollars to try to get them to promote. They rather do it. They rather pay regular people and have them each time they refer somebody. They get like right now, their referral fees is $20. Sometimes they take it up to $50 every time they refer somebody. Sometimes they take it to $5. Right now, their referral fee is $20, so I'm back doing it. Like I did it before where I made a few $1,000s off of it, but it was at the referral fee was $50. Then they went down to $5. When they started only paying $5 to refer somebody, I don't do it. So I ain't did it in a few months. So now they back at 20. So I'm saying, okay, let me show everybody how you can make a few racks or a few $100s just sitting at home. So this the thing. So I'm gonna send a link, which is my link, to the app. So once you go download the app, you become a member of that app. So what you do, so how they doing is they trying to get people to come to the app, for they could go like to Walmart and say, I got 1 million members on my app right here, like sponsor, advertise with us, and they charge Walmart probably like millions of dollars. But in the meantime, of them getting it up, well, they got like Walmart, Nike, Sam's Club, and all that shit because they're what they call a rebate reward company. So how they make money is off rebates and stuff like that, getting people to come to their app and using their app to get rebates and stuff like that, like to get % off. So like once you join the app, you get like 10% off at Walmart. So if you go spend $200 at Walmart, you get 10% rebate, which is $20 back. But so now they doing a referral system. So the referral system is this. Like I say, I got a link to the app. You click my link, I get $20. Once you sign, put your credit card, they're gonna send you $1 for your credit card. Now some people are like, that's a scam, why would I do that? Why would I do that? I used to think that same shit, to be honest, but like why they ask for your credit card is this. First of all, for you to get your money every time, like once you get over $25, they're gonna put that $25 in your account. So once you refer two people, since it's at 20, because like I say, sometimes they take it down to $5. I don't do it when it's $5, that shit too much work. But so when they do like $20 and $50 referrals, I'll go do it. I want to refer somebody, get that $20 and $50. So what I'm trying to do is get $20 from you, but also show you a way how you can make money too. Because once you click my link, you also they're gonna get your own link. Then you can start referring people yourself. So if you refer, let's say 5 people today that you done made $100, they're gonna put $100 on your card. That's why they ask for your credit card and your card, stuff like that, because they're gonna send you $100. If you refer 50, that's 1,000. So like right now, I done had over 100 people hit me up. Now out of 100, let's say if 20 people do it, that mean I make $40. If 50 people do it, that mean I made 1,000. If all 100 people do it, I made 2,000. But like I say, the app is called Dosh. Be on some real shit, go add the Dosh, but I'm gonna put my link. I'm gonna send you my link before I get my referral. That's part of the game. You want your referral, like you know how some people will send you, oh, the referral, it's the referral game, and it's a real one. It ain't no scam, and I'm putting everybody on. A lot of people don't want to tell everybody, but that's the whole shit. It's the referral game. Every time you refer somebody, you get $20. Really, it's $21, because when you add your account, when you add your credit card, they're gonna give you $1 to make. They're gonna send you $1 to show that it's real. It's gonna go straight to your card, your debit card, your prepaid card, whatever. You're gonna see, oh damn, they sent me $1, a real dollar. It's in your account, just to show that everything real. It ain't no scam or none of that. So then they want to see you like make a purchase or add like just to show that you a real person. That's what they really want. They want real members. So they could easily go to Facebook or something and say, let us give you $1 million and you pay us to sponsor Facebook ads. They want the real word of mouth. They want real regular people to add these apps, for then they could go and do their cash base. Go to Walmart where they already got big. The cool thing about it, this company, the app already got big companies. Like if you shop at Nike, you need this because you get 10 to 20% off Nike. So if you go spend $100 at Nike, you know you get $10 off, $20 off. You shop at Walmart, you know just with the app alone, you get the discounts and rewards and all that shit. So man, I'm giving y'all some free game. If you still want to do it and participate, get this referral money. That's how I was saying you can sit at home and do it and go hit up everybody. Go add this app, the cashback app. It's a percentage. Like I say, all it is a cashback app where you getting your money and shit like that. You kind of get what I'm saying? And they paying people really to promote them right now. That's what you're doing. You promoting this company, word of mouth. You getting them, and they saying every time you refer us, you get this money. But this the steps and the qualities you got to do. So that's some free game. It's a real company. It's a real app. Go download it. Go check it out. Click my link though, so I can get my referral. Once again, man, peace. Free game.